Hi, this is Nazia and today I am here to discuss the chapter Similarity of class 10. So stay tuned with me up to the last to make the concept clear. So before going through the similarity, in previous class 9th, we already learned about the chapter congruencies. So what is it? Let me define it first. So two geometrical figure having exactly the same shape and size are known as congruent figure. Right? Like there are two triangles A, B and C. P, Q and R. They have exactly the same shape as their triangle and exactly same size. This equal to this and this equal to this and this equal to this one. Okay, so these two figure are congruent figure. Now let's have a look on similarity. So how is it defined? Two geometrical figure. Similarity, two geometrical figure having exactly the same shape but not necessarily the size are known as similar figure, right? So two geometrical figure having exactly shape but not necessary the size are known as similar figure. Example, these two triangle AB and C and another triangle PQR. Their shape are equal, they both are triangle are in triangle shape but not the exactly same size. So these two triangles are similar, right? Now let me clarify more. There are two papers, A4 sheet paper. Okay, so two papers are congruent to each other because because they have exactly the same shape, rectangular, and as well as size, and they overlap each other. It is the basic difference. Congruent figure overlap each other. Okay, but if I talk about this one, so these are similar figure because they are in shape triangle but not size are same. So these are similar figures. So it is the basic difference between the similarity and congruency. Now let me take an example. If you compare these triangle which I am going to make, first one is triangle A, B, C, and again P, Q, R, and sorry, this is X, Y, and Z, right? Measurement 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 6, 8. Okay. So in this, can you tell me which two triangle are congruent and which two are similar? So triangle ABC and PQR are congruent figure, right? Because they have exactly the same shape in triangle and size also. This one equal to this, and this one equal to this. So we can write it as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and this is the symbol of congruency. Okay, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ because exactly the same shape but size are different. So we can write it as triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So on analyzing triangle ABC and XYZ, we can easily see that their sides are proportional. Okay, right. Let xy by AB, it will give 4 by 2, means 2 by 1 ratio, right? And yz by BC, it will give 8 by 4, also give 2 ratio 1. And next one, xz by AC, it will give 6 ratio, means 2 ratio 1. So we can analyze that their sides are proportional, or we can say that corresponding sides are proportional. So based on the same, let me introduce the today's topic, which is similarity of triangle. So what the today's topic is, similarity of triangle. So how it is defined? So two triangles are said to be similar if and only if they follow two conditions. First one is their corresponding angles are equal. And the second is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay. So if these two triangles ABC and one more PQR, so in this, angle A is equals to angle P. We can write it as angle BAC is equals to angle QPR. Angle B is equals to angle Q. We can write it as angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. Angle C is equals to angle R. We can write it as angle ACB is equals to angle PRQ. These three angles are equal. What about the sides? Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB by should be in the same ratio. AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Okay. If these six things are happen, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How can write it? We can write it, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the symbol of similarity. Okay. But now the question is that do we have to check all the six parts to check the similarity of two triangles? It will more lengthy. So we do not need to check this all the six parts. So there's a short trick to check the similarity of triangle known as criteria of similarity or rule of similarity. Okay, so there are three criterias to check the similarity of any two triangle. First one is AA rule or AA criteria. AA rule of similarity. AA rule of a rule or criteria, we can say AA rule of similarity. Okay, so for that same, I am going to make two triangles. This is first one and the second one. this, suppose this angle is x, let me named as ABC and PQ. Okay, so this is x, this will also x, this is y, this angle, and this angle is also y. So here what we can see, that angle ABC is equals to angle PQR, which is equals to x, right? And again angle BAC is equals to angle QPR, which is angle phi. Okay, so we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, again if two angle of a triangle are same, then third one is also, so we can write it as A rule. Okay, now by these what will definition become? So definition will become, if two angle of a triangle are equal to two angle of other triangle, then triangle will be similar, right? So this is the AA rule of similarity. Let me write the definition also. That is, if two angle of a triangle sorry are equal to two angle of other triangle, then triangle will be similar. Then two triangle are similar, right? This is the AA rule of similarity. If two angle of a triangle equal to two angle of other triangle, then two triangle will be similar. And the second criteria is SSS. SSA rule of similarity means side, side, side. So for the same, again I am going to make two triangles. PQR, right? So by the definition side, side, side. So in this, if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are similar, right? So if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of other triangle, then triangle are similar. And we can write triangle AB side AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to CA by RP, right? So their corresponding side should be in same ratio. So this is the second rule of similarity, and the third rule is SAS rule of similarity. SAS rule. So as the name suggested, SAS. right? Means two side and one angle. But how will it define? Let me make triangle first. These are two triangles, again ABC, PQR. In this side proportional to this side and this side proportional to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle, angle B equal to angle Q, and this is the included angle of two side. This is the included angle of two side. So what will be the definition become? If the two side and the included angle of one triangle is equals to two side and included angle of other triangle, then two triangle will be similar, right? So let me write the definition. If one angle, or we can say two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of other triangle, then two triangles are similar. Okay, so here what is it? Angle B is equals to angle Q, right? And AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. So triangle will be similar. So there are three criteria: AA criteria, SS and SAS criteria of similarity, right? Now let's do some question related to similarity. So question 1 is, write the criteria of similarity. Criteria of similarity. And also write in the form of a similar triangle. Okay. So first question is, there are two triangles. So B angle is 50 degree and this angle is 50 degree. Okay. This angle 70 degree and Q angle is 70 degree. Okay. So in this, what will be the criteria of similarity? Here the criteria of similarity is A criteria of similarity. Here A, because two angles are similar, same. So A criteria of similarity and we can write it angle ABC is equals to angle, which angle? PRQ, which is equals to 50 degree, and angle ACB is equals to angle PQR is equals to 70 degree. So how can we write it? We can write ABC is similar to triangle, not PQR. Here PRQ is similar because corresponding angle PRQ, right? So this is the first question. Now the second is, make the two triangle again. My triangle is not enough good. P Q R and here X Y Z, right? So this is 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and here 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we can easily see that here SS criteria will hold. So S because there is no angle given, so SS criteria of similarity. Right here PQ by what? XY. PQ by XY means 2 by 4, which will give 1 by 2. Again QR by YZ. QR is 3, YZ is 6, again it will give 1 by 2. And PR by what? XZ or ZX. It will give 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. So their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So here SS criteria of similarity. And how can we write it? We can write it as a triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Then now the next question is, question third. ABC XYZ. Okay.